Okay, we're back. We're connecting here. You're connecting up the drone. Let's do a little flight. Like I was talking before, if you're an organization out there for the summer, hit me up. And I do demonstrations for the kids, and I'm proud of doing that. You know, I love to show the kids all this great technology that we have. You know, I have advanced so much. You know, also we do helicopter demos too. You have to contact me, and we have to organize a landing area that way we can land. You know, it's a little bit different process, but we can do it. We have done it up in Garrett Mountain, things of that nature. So getting this here, take some pictures. See the wire snapping away. So, you guys, if you want me to do a demo for the kids, I'm here on my website. Just send me an email at sales at V.B.HAWKscooters.com. Put sales at V.B.HAWKscooters.com. We can you hook me up. I mean, contact me and things of that nature. I also have some new masks that we have made. It'll be out soon, after the new year. I'll take a picture here. It's kind of all right. Pictures. Hook up the camera there. All right. And yeah, hook me up. Check out our website, guys. We also have the teen scooters also for the kids. You can buy them on our site too. Also, we have teenager scooters for the kids. So there's about 4 or 5 models that we have out there that we do have for them, and they're really cool. So it's set for them. I mean, adults can also have them too. So don't get me wrong. So all right, let's see what we can set up here. Set up here. All cool stuff, man. It's a little windy, but it's good. This thing can take on a storm. Turn on. We already did the updates yesterday. Takeoff is permitted. It gives you grants and everything. So that's because we're safe flyers. All right, let's take off. Take off with caution. Take off. Do a little recording. We're going to record also from the drone. So here we go. There we are. There we are. See if we can see us. I'm gonna shoot down, see? Let's back up a little bit. There we are. There we are. Hey, there you go. It's cool, huh? Where is it? Oh, I lost it there for a minute. Got lost there for a second. That's alright, we got it. Because it goes into the trees. We gotta be careful, there's a lot of trees here. We're gonna go here. People are watching, the spectators. I always get spectators. Yeah, it's cool.
Many years ago,
turn the thing here for the camera.
I found myself lost in the forest, alone. I felt a strange warm energy.
Really cool.
Something was coming closer. It guided me deeper into the forest and down under the ground.
They were friendly creatures, not at all evil.
See if we can get a nice view of the park.
I followed them down underground. This is my house now. They were friendly creatures, not at all evil. I followed them down underground. This is my house now. They were friendly creatures, not at all evil. I followed them down underground. This is my house now. They were friendly creatures, not at all evil.
Beautiful, right? Yeah, this is really cool, man.
I followed them down underground.
Really cool, man. Flying is cool, man. really, really cool. You guys got to try this also. I always carry this with me on the drone. I mean, on the scooter. So anytime I want to fly, I'll just park it and just do a little flying, you know. There we go. Let me say hi. There you go. Hey, what's up?
Well, I'm not sure.
Sweet. Here we are. Oh, you got people over there? They go fly over
I
there.
can tell you for damn sure that the girl was nowhere to be found. We searched every inch of the
Go fly over there.
and found nothing.
They were friendly creatures. Not at all evil. I followed them down underground.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
This is my earth now. They were friendly creatures. Not at all evil. I followed them down underground. This is my earth now. They were friendly creatures. Not at all evil. I followed them down underground. This is my earth now. They were friendly creatures. Not at all evil. I followed them down underground.
No, I wanted to go over there, show you. I actually wanted to go and show the kids, really. Yeah. Yeah, the kids love all this stuff. Huh? Yeah, oh boy. I do a lot of demonstrations also, and they go crazy. Yeah, they go wild. Yeah. You like it, huh? It's good. That's all right. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna do a little landing here. Let's see. Any other kids? Believe me, if this was the summertime, I would have been jam-packed in here with it. Beautiful. All right. Do a little landing. Let's see how my landing skills are. Ready, touchdown. There we go. Perfect. Yay. Cool, right? Did a nice landing. Beautiful. That was very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So anyway, guys, hook me up. Hit me up. E-scooters. V.B.HAWKscooters.com. That's V.B.HAWKscooters.com. We got it all. You name it. We got it all, man. And we're going to continue working hard at it. And that's it. My time is up, man. I talk too much. I talk a lot. I know. It's just that I don't know. It's just my nature, you know. And this is who I am. What you get, man? V.B.HAWK. We're back. We're getting stronger. My legs getting stronger and stronger. You know, I still got a way to go with it. But you know what? I thank the Lord that we're here. We're doing our things. And it's time to go home. It's getting cold. Alright guys, so peace. Talk to you guys later. Woo!